Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make two beautiful centerpieces for your dining table for Christmas and also one for your center table. I am using most of the material that I already have at home and some of the material that I bought from dollar store which are under $10. These are some of the branches that I will show you with this little beautiful red berries. And some of the material are from my garden, which are natural. So I'm going to use all of it. And this is the pot that I'm going to use. This is a beautiful ceramic piece that I have. I have been using it for flowers and other plants. And I will be using this candle. It has a Winterland theme on it, if you can see that. See, is that beautiful? So I will be using this candle as a centerpiece. Next, I will use these branches. These are from store. And because I want these branches to flow a little bit downwards, so I will bend it a little bit, like not like that, but make it a little bit of arch like that. Like this. Okay, I think that's enough for these branches. Now I am going to use the juniper, excuse me, juniper branches just to give a little different texture because on its own is looking beautiful, but I believe in bringing more texture in it. Since these are natural branches, so I'm going to fill this with little bit of water so that they don't get dry. See, this is quite filled now with the branches, and I will be adding more branches with little red berries, and it will bring a little bit more color into this. And since it's Christmas, so red also look very nice. Red, silver, gold. Use your imagination and the texture or the colors that you're using, and then you can use all those materials that you want. Right, so here it is. Okay, so the next piece is for, you can use it for dining. A small dining table would be great. And if you don't want, you can use it for your center table in your living room or your side tables on your coffee tables as well, because this is a small one. This is a beautiful birchwood candle stand. The candle is gone, but I don't throw things like that, and I use it all the time. Just to give it a more rusty look, I'm going to use this rope and tie it around it like that. So I will be using this maroon candle, and these are also the leaves that I used. I bought it from dollar store, and these are all different texture it has, and I will be using this holly leaves, berries, of course. So here we go for candle, because I'm going to use this foam piece, so to hold the candle like that, and then I will be decorating it around with the leaves. I always bend those plastic ones a little bit so that it gives a little different dimension, like not standing upright like a soldier. So that is a bit unnatural. These are all already upright, so one or two pieces are fine. But rest, I would put it on the angle a little bit so that they're not straight. Okay, so I'm going to use this little branches of berries as well. So there it is. Your side table or coffee table, wherever you want to use it, these small little pieces, they bring beauty. So isn't this gorgeous? See, this is all maybe under $10, that as well. So you don't have to break your bank to decorate your house. So you can just use your imagination, just use the materials that you have at home. Now I'm going to put this on a table and I'll show you. So that's all for today. However, I will be making more Christmas crafts and decorations in my next videos. So please keep watching. Okay, you take care. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.